Hello, Terry here with Good Ingestions, on a mission to get the word out that healing the body and living longer depends on ingesting nutrient-dense food. I currently hold a certificate in nutritarian studies. My hope is that after watching these videos and getting some tips, you'll be able to say, I can do that. So today I'm going to address the easiest way, the simplest way that I know how to make your health a priority and what specifically worked for me. But first, I'm going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions that I get. How do you make homemade almond milk? Let's get started. So this is where it really begins. When you see you have about this much almond milk left, it's time to soak some almonds. You'll need 2 cups of raw, unsalted, unroasted almonds. I get them at Costco or Trader Joe's. Put them in a non-reactive bowl such as a Pyrex glass bowl. Cover them with at least 2 inches of purified water and put them in the refrigerator for 8 hours or overnight. Once they've been soaking for at least 8 hours, rinse them well. And take out 1 1/3 cup of soaked almonds. 1 cup of dry almonds equals 1 1/3 cups soaked. Then you'll want to put the remaining almonds back in the refrigerator, covered with water for when you need them later down the road. Now take your 1 1/3 cup of soaked almonds, put them in the Vitamix. You can use another blender, but it may take longer to blend them because it's not as powerful. Vitamix is really the way to go. Take 4 cups of purified water, add it to the almonds in the Vitamix. Now you want to blend. Start on the lowest speed, work up through the power levels up to the highest power level. If you have an overdrive, this is the time to use it. Blend for 1 minute and 30 seconds. You'll need a large bowl and 2 nut milk strainer bags. 2 is better than 1, and I'll tell you why. When I started making almond milk, I used to use only 1, and the pressure from squeezing the milk out made little holes in the bag. So now I figured out if I use 2, it takes less pressure and it doesn't make any holes, and I haven't had to buy any since. So put 1 bag over the other and lay them inside the bowl, making an opening as best you can. Pour the blended almond milk into the strainer bags, being careful not to get any around the edges, and squeeze all of the almond milk out of the strainer bags into the bowl. This is what you have when you're finished. It's pulp. Some people make baked goods with this pulp. I just throw it in the compost pile. You'll want to rinse the strainer bags, and using a few drops of dish soap, get them real soapy, rinse them well, and let them air dry. Then pour the blended, strained almond milk into a glass bottle, a glass jar. It can be an old spaghetti sauce jar, whatever jar you have. A glass jar with a tight-fitting lid is best. And there you have it. Delicious, fresh, homemade almond milk without any additives. So, getting started making your health a priority. Well, the easiest, simplest way that I know is to get a hold of any one of Dr. Joel Fuhrman's books. He wrote Eat to Live several years ago, and he's written many books since. Some of my favorites are The End of Dieting, The End of Diabetes, The End of Heart Disease, which I have here, also Fast Food Genocide, the Eat to Live Quick and Easy Cookbook, wonderful recipes in this book. I use it quite a bit. Or if you'd rather watch a video, there are many Dr. Fuhrman videos on YouTube, TED Talks, PBS specials. All of them are very informative. Dr. Fuhrman has devoted his life to the research and study of nutritional science, and he makes his recommendations based on all of those studies, not just low-fat, high-carb, gluten-free. He takes everything into consideration when making these recommendations. And he has helped thousands of patients reverse chronic diseases and get off of pharmaceuticals, which are very toxic to the body. Reading Dr. Fuhrman's books or watching the videos will help to educate you and motivate you and give you the tools to make your health a priority and exactly, specifically how to do it. It worked so well for me, and that's why I want to share it with everyone that I know. Well, that's all for today. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and I will try to answer at least one of them in the next video. Your comments and suggestions are very welcome, and they're actually helpful to me. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos, and if you found this video helpful or informative, give it a thumbs up, please. And remember, the road to health is paved with good ingestions. Be well.